Travel smarter in 2025 with the best apps to plan, navigate, and enjoy your journey. Let's explore top picks for making your adventures seamless. Start your journey stress-free with Hiha. Book parking, lounges, and hotels all in one place with exclusive discounts. Get real-time traffic updates and find the fastest routes with Waze. Perfect for road trips. Track flights live, explore routes, and feel like an air traffic controller with Flight Radar 24. Find unique accommodations and local experiences with Airbnb. Your next adventure starts here. Navigate like a local with Google Maps, offline maps, transit schedules, and more. Find flights, hotels, and car rentals at unbeatable prices with Skyscanner. Pack the essentials based on your destination and weather with PackPoint. Plan with confidence using reviews and recommendations from millions of travelers on TripAdvisor. Communicate effortlessly in any language with Google Translate, even offline. With these apps, travel in 2025 is smarter and easier than ever. Which one will you try first? Let us know.